He's knocked him over.
Giving the charge and he's gone. As he thought it for Josh first blood, and he deserves it.
Brilliant from Brett Lee. He softened Andrew Strauss up. Fantastic bounces the over before, and
8 mile an hour, and you just see it spinning out like an off-cutter. And total deception. It's been ferocious pace and bounce.
Oh, hasn't cost anything. He's had a great innings. There's Akmal. He's been dropped twice and lost his off pole.
Expensive, but a great delivery again. Look to see him so straight, stunning to see how he's played outside the ball. Look at that offside.
Oh, that's out. Oh, another corker. Lost by a lot of people. Every tide used to have a swing bowler years ago.